Hello. Please hit like button and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon for future video notifications. Thanks.
A new MRI study revealed that consumption of alcohol even in low to moderate amounts during pregnancy can change the baby's brain structure and delay brain development. Results of the study will be presented next week at the annual meeting of the Radiological Society of North America, RSNA. Fetal MRI is a highly specialized and safe examination method that allows us to make accurate statements about brain maturation prenatally, said study senior author Gregor Kasprian, MD, Associate Professor of Radiology from the Department of Biomedical Imaging and Image-Guided Therapy of the Alcohol consumption during pregnancy can expose the fetus to a group of conditions called fetal alcohol spectrum disorders. Babies born with fetal alcohol spectrum disorders could develop learning disabilities, behavioral problems or speech and language delays. Unfortunately, many pregnant women are unaware of the influence of alcohol on the fetus during pregnancy, said lead author Patrick Keenest, MD, a Ph.D. student in the Department of Biomedical Imaging and Image-Guided Therapy, Division of Neuroradiology and Musculoskeletal Radiology at the Med. Therefore, it is our responsibility not only to do the research but also to actively educate the public about the effects of alcohol on the fetus. For the study, researchers analyzed MRI exams of 24 fetuses with prenatal alcohol exposure. The fetuses were between 22 and 36 weeks of gestation at the time of MRI. Alcohol exposure was determined via anonymous surveys of the mothers. The questionnaires used were the Pregnancy Risk Assessment Monitoring System, PRAMS, a surveillance project of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention and Health Departments, and the TA Screening Tool, a measurement tool of 4 questions that identify risk drinking. In fetuses with alcohol exposure, the fetal total maturation score, FTMs, was significantly lower than in the age-matched controls, and the right superior temporal sulcus, STS, was shallower. The STS is involved in social cognition, audiovisual integration and language perception. We found the greatest changes in the temporal brain region and STS, Dr. Kasprian said. We know that this region, and specifically the formation of the STS, has a great influence on language development during childhood. Brain changes were seen in the fetuses even at low levels of alcohol exposure. 17 of 24 mothers drank alcohol relatively infrequently, with average alcohol consumption of less than 1 alcoholic drink per week, Dr. Keenest said. Nevertheless, we were able to detect significant changes in these fetuses based on prenatal MRI. 3 mothers drank 1 to 3 drinks per week, and 2 mothers drank 4 to 6 drinks per week. According to the researchers, delayed fetal brain development could be specifically related to a delayed stage of myelination and less distinct gyrification in the frontal and occipital lobes. The myelination process is critical to brain and nervous system function. Myelin protects nerve cells, allowing them to transmit information faster. This folding enlarges the surface area of the cortex with limited space in the skull, enabling an increase in cognitive performance. When gyrification is diminished, functionality is reduced. Pregnant women should strictly avoid alcohol consumption, Dr. Keenest said. As we show in our study, even low levels of alcohol consumption can lead to structural changes in brain development and delayed brain maturation. It is unclear how these structural changes will affect brain development in these babies after birth. To assess this accurately, we need to wait for the children who were examined as fetuses at that time to get a little older, so that we can invite them back for further examinations, Dr. Keenest said. However, we can strongly assume that the changes we discovered contribute to the cognitive and behavioral difficulties that may occur during childhood. Co-authors are Marlene Stumpflin, M.D., Daniela Prayer, M.D., Benjamin Sigel, M.D., Mariana Schutte, M.D., Ph.D., and Sarah Glatter, M. Drinking during pregnancy changes baby's brain structure. Science Daily. ift.tt/Zinke, accessed November 22, 2022. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.